Hi guys, here is how you can automate your repetitive task. Now to automate your repetitive task, you can use TinyTask. It basically replicates all your mouse and keyboard moves. Let's do a quick demonstration. So every morning, I like to listen to some music. Let me automate it. For that, open TinyTask. Here is a very simple interface. This will record all your actions on the PC. This will save as .exe file to run. With preferences, you can choose a speed. You can also set loops, times you want to repeat. Choose shortcut to record hotkey. I will choose F8. And to stop playing back, I will choose the default, but you can choose anything. Let's record the action. Click on record. Then I go to this PC, go to D drive, then go to meditation music, and I like to play this. If it is a repetitive task, you can let it complete so you can continue in loop. For now, I'll pause the recording using F8. Let me close this all. If you want to loop the task continuously, please wait and complete the whole task. I stopped the recording using F8. You can save this recording so you can open it and use it later to adjust loops. I will not save it. Now save it as an exe file. And OK. While saving the exe file, choose the correct loops. You can choose 100 to thousands as you want. By the way, sometimes it might be detected as a virus. You might need to disable your antivirus. We also recommend you can save it as a zip file. Anyway, let's run it and see how it works. Simply open it. Now this is working automatically. I am not using the mouse. And it works all good. If you have continuous loops, please use the shortcut like Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus P to stop it. And this also works for taking the screenshots for a PDF, YouTube, etc. Again, a reminder, some antivirus or Windows Defender can detect it as a virus. For that, you need to disable the antivirus and save it as a zip file so it won't be deleted. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.